Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete all the Gmail emails on either your iPhone or your Android phone. Now, depending on which one you have, I'll show you how it works either in Google Chrome or Safari, depending on what you specifically use. But we can easily delete either one email or delete all of them throughout your entire email. So to be able to do that, I'll show you if you open up Google Chrome as well as Safari. Now, within Google Chrome, you can see I'm at gmail.com, or rather google.com. So go to google.com, tap on the three dots at the bottom right, and then scroll down, tap on Request Desktop Site. Now, we're going to tap on the URL at the top and type in gmail.com or mail.google.com. You can see it will immediately bring you to the desktop-based version of that email. If you're in Safari, you can get to the desktop-based version by tapping on the rectangle at the bottom left and then hitting Request Desktop Website. Now, after you've done that, for instance, let's zoom in to spam here, and let's use this as an example. Now that I'm in the desktop-based view, instead of individually tapping on one email, at the top left, I can zoom in and tap on that check mark. You can see it says all 100 conversations have been selected. So if you have less than that, you're good to go. You can then delete them. However, if you have more than 100 and you swipe over, you can see it says select all conversations in this folder. In my case, 1,633. I can select all of them. And now I can again zoom in and tap on delete forever. And then zoom in and tap on OK. Essentially, it will delete all of those messages at once just by requesting the desktop-based version. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it too. Thanks, guys.